Good morning, everybody. Seminar topic on query specific visual semantic spaces for web image re-ranking by Divyani E.G., batch number A8, under the guidance of Shiv Prasad Sir KM, Assistant Professor, Department of CSE, RYMEC. The title says, given a query keyword, a pool of images is first retrieved based on textual information. By asking the user to select a query image from the pool, the remaining images are re-ranked based on their visual similarities with the query image. These are the contents. Abstract. Image re-ranking as an effective way to improve the results of web-based image search has been adopted by current commercial search engines. Firstly, there is a given keyword. Related to that, a pool of images are first retrieved by the search engine based on textual information. By asking the user to select a query image from the pool, the remaining images are re-ranked based on their visual similarities with the query image. The visual features of images are projected into their related visual semantic spaces to get semantic signatures. At the online stage, images are re-ranked by comparing their semantic signatures obtained from the visual semantic space specified by the query keyword. This means only when the user is online, only then the visual semantic images are displayed. Introduction. Web scale image search engines mostly use keywords as queries and rely on surrounding text to search images. It is well known that they suffer from the ambiguity of the query keywords. It means sometimes the system suffers from the ambiguity of the query keywords when the user enters the keyword as wrong. For example, here we will take a keyword as an example. Related to that keyword, different categories of images are retrieved, such as red apple, Apple logo, and Apple laptop. Given a query keyword input by a user, according to that, a stored word image index file, a pool of images relevant to the query keyword are retrieved by the search engine. By asking a user to select a query image from the pool, the remaining images in the pool are re-ranked based on their visual similarities with the query image. Here we will ask the user to select a query image from the pool, and remaining images we will send them to the re-ranked stage. This is the diagram which shows the image re-ranking framework. Here, firstly, the query keyword has been given as an apple. Related to that keyword, the images are displayed. Based on those images, the actual image is displayed through visual features. Remaining images are re-ranked with the query image. This is the framework of image re-ranking. Literature survey. The author Zhang Wang, Qi Liu, Zhang Tang describes the novel image re-ranking framework as well as gives the computational cost. Siddhanagowda G.R., Santosh S., Sandeep Kumar S., Raghu M.T. talk about how to use the semantic signatures for web image re-ranking as well as retrieval was performed as summarization of similarities of individual feature. The Kriti Yadav, Sudhir Singh, Deepthi Bhartake, Archana Gulati, Sally Bakshi, S.V. Dhabade introduces the remarking images using various such as video MIDI file, speech wave files, etc. Specific query semantic spaces are used get more improvised re-ranking of images. Also, we study not only the offline images but also we search for novel internet image search approach which requires one-click user feedback intention. Specific weight schema is proposed to compute visual similarity. Methodology. In this, we see two types: keyword expansion and one-click feedback. In keyword expansion, to overcome this keyword expansion, methodology is used. The keyword expansion means attaching new keyword to query keyword, that is keyword automatically discovered. For example, when user wants some particular product of Samsung but user is confused with that, then user enters Samsung keyword, and by methodology it shows Samsung keyword get expanded and gives the result of Samsung mobile, Samsung laptop and Samsung camera, etc. One click feedback. In that, the query keyword is given by the user. After this, a pool of images which are relevant are fetched. When the user clicks on particular image from the pool of images, the count of that image will be increased by 1 and remaining re-ranked of images based on the count of each image ordered according to that keyword. This is the proposed system. First, it starts and enters the keyword and search through search engine. The pool of images are retrieved. After that, the user selects a particular image from the pool. The images and text matches the similarity and produces the resultant. Remaining all the images are re-ranked. At last, it will display the relevant images and stops the process. Next, the outcomes of image re-ranking. User enters a query keyword for searching purpose. Image is displayed according to query keyword entered by the user. Ranking of images according to number of click by user, feature extraction and similarity matching of images using CBIR. Images are re-ranked and displayed as per matching of features. This is the proposed system of web search engine where we can enter the query keyword. And after entering the query keyword, the images are displayed according to the query keyword. After all the process, the result of feature extraction and similarities matching using CBIR for keyword Apple. Next, pros and cons. Advantages and disadvantages of image re-ranking. Pros: collecting information from users to obtain the specified semantic space. Localizing the visual characteristics of the user's intention in this specific semantic space. From image re-ranking, the users will easily get the images which they need at their particular time. This is the main advantage of image re-ranking. Disadvantages: without online training, the similarities of low-level visual features may not well correlate with images. This technique is only possible when the user is connected with an internet. Re-ranking methods usually fail to capture the user's intention when the query image is ambiguous. It means when the system does not understand by the keyword given by the user, then the user fails to get the re-ranking image. Conclusion: we propose a novel image re-ranking framework which learns query-specific semantic spaces to significantly improve the effectiveness and efficiency of online image re-ranking. Here, as we have explained before, the image re-ranking framework, it shows only the images which was related to that query keyword, and it doesn't know images as an instrument or else. Which next, the visual features of images are projected into their related visual semantic spaces, automatically learned through keyword expansions at the offline stage. As I explained before, when it works only when it is in the online stage. Then only the visual features are displayed. When it is in the offline stage, the images related to that query keyword will not be displayed. Uh, the extracted semantic signatures can be 70 times shorter than the original visual features on average, while achieve 20% to 35% relative improvement on re-ranking precisions over state-of-the-art methods. By extracting the semantic signatures, it has a 70 times shorter than the original visual features on average. These are the references. Thank you.